So this is my full review on the adapter. Now I'm going to show my setup first because everybody has their own reasons for using this adapter. If yours is you're trying to hook up your laptop to 2 monitors, then you can watch this. So I have two of the same monitors. I don't know, you're gonna have to read the description of the product and see if it works with different monitors, but I don't know if it does. This is my Asus monitor, and this is the Asus monitor, and this is a Asus Broad Strike gaming laptop. You can look at all the ports it has, but this adapter is a Type-C port, and back here is a Type-C port. So I have a port for the adapters, of course. Let me just move this chair. So my Asus Broad Strike laptop has an HDMI port. It has one HDMI port. So I needed the adapter because 2 of these monitors are connected with HDMI ports. So the thing was, with this adapter, it has 2 HDMI ports back here. But as you notice, I only have one in here and one plugged up into the original laptop, because when I put both of the HDMI ports in here, my computer, the computer I told y'all, the Asus ROG Strike, recognized these monitors as one, and it was duplicating. I don't know why it did that, because I have a Windows 11, so maybe I need to work with the settings more. But I just plugged in one monitor to my laptop and the other monitor into the adapter so that they're both powered by my laptop, so I could extend it, because I didn't want duplicating screens. I wanted to extend it. Everybody has their own purpose for getting this adapter, but mine was for the extension. So if yours is to extend, just beware, or kind of make note that this adapter recognized both of my monitors as one. So I don't know if there's a way around it or not, but this is my setup, and it worked perfect for me. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, because I mean, what if I didn't have an HDMI port in my computer, you know? Then it wouldn't work. I don't know, but this is how I got it set up, and yeah.
등급별로 왜 한국어를